welcome back to PortaOne's latest YouTube update. Today, we're excited to introduce Maintenance Release 115 and all the new features and enhancements it brings. Stick around to see how Maintenance Release 115 can empower your telecom operations. Maintenance Release 115 now allows you to charge customers based on the duration of call recordings and transcriptions. Previously, these services were unlimited for a flat fee, and now you can offer specific quotas, like 10 hours of recording and transcription for $10 per month. Once customers exceed their quota, you can apply pay-as-you-go rates, like 3 cents per minute for recording and 5 cents per minute for transcription. To keep your team informed about new services and revenue opportunities, PortaOne News will now appear directly on the PortaBilling login page. This includes updates on upcoming webinars and new functionalities, helping your business stay ahead and reduce development costs. You can now expand the call parking functionality for your PBX customers. Now, calls can be parked and retrieved using third-party or in-house developed apps like receptionist consoles. For example, a receptionist can park a client's call with a desktop app button, allowing any caller to pick it up from any IP phone in the office. This feature utilizes the Call Control API, allowing PBX users, such as receptionists, to park calls in a simple way. Planning to launch an MVNO? PortaBilling now integrates with IPLOOK's mobile core network, enhancing capabilities for MVNOs and MVNOs. This integration enables real-time charging for internet access and voice calls, offered through the IPLOOK's mobile core via PortaBilling. We've optimized database performance with batch updates of customer and vendor balances. If you have large customers with numerous accounts generating high transaction volumes, like large call centers or IoT customers with tens of thousands of IoT SIM cards, this feature is a game changer. The system now accumulates balance changes over a specified interval before updating them in the database, reducing the frequency of updates. This helps to avoid database locks and delays in processing charging requests. This feature can be enabled on a per-customer or per-vendor basis, enhancing operational flexibility. Let's talk about bundles. When a prepaid bundle is unavailable, it means it either depleted or expired. For precise tracking of bundle depletion and expiration via external applications such as a custom web app or a CRM, PortaBilling now sends 2 distinct events depending on the reason. This improvement simplifies external app development. For example, it enables more accurate notifications and personalized promotions through CRM systems. Working with resellers? Listen up! Typically, service providers sell products to resellers at a regular subscription price. However, in special circumstances, such as a unique deal with a reseller in a specific region or corporate customer requiring extra time and effort, the CSP's admin may apply a discount or upcharge to the standard subscription fee tied to a reseller. We've launched a redesigned portal for representatives. They will find an upgraded interface that is more user-friendly, while retaining all the functionalities of the previous version. Now, visually aligned with the admin's interface, it offers easier navigation. Representatives can also access detailed information about their commission plans, including one-time commissions for customer acquisitions. For more details on each feature, click the links in the description below. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates from PortaOne. Transform your business with PortaSwitch, and see you in the next video!